Hi, this is Tiffany with Extra Mile Travel, and I'm here today at the Secrets Puerto Los Cabos, and I'm touring, which I'm going to be staying for the next 6 nights, in an ocean view room. Here's a king bed, and I'd like to show you the view of the balcony. Very nice. This room comes with a free complimentary mini bar, and it also comes with a very large jetted tub. It comes with 2 sinks, and it's very nicely done with a very modern decor. So if you're interested in visiting this all-inclusive luxury all-adult property, please give me a call at 619-251-0837. Thank you.